About this item: heavy duty and direct burial. The double shielded Cat8 Ethernet cable is super efficient in reducing ME/RFI interference and provide highest fidelity for long distance data transmission. With upgraded PVC, Cat8 is waterproof and anti-corrosion and more durable and flexible for heavy duty work. Can be buried directly. Suitable for both outdoor and indoor use. 26AWG and superior performance. Comparing with other 32AWG Ethernet cable, 26AWG Cat8 is thicker, a lot faster and stable in data transferring, which is perfectly suitable for AI smart products, like Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Home, Cloud Data Server and other smart home and office products that require high-speed and high-performance network F/FTP and hyperspeed. Cat8 Ethernet cable is made of 4 shielded foiled twisted pair, F/FTP, and single strand OFC wires, 26AWG, which supports bandwidth up to 2000 MHz and boosts the speed of data transmission up to 40 Gbps. Shielded Cat8 and the improved quality in twisting of the pairs, Cat8 can reduce any signal interference to the full extent. Allow you to stream HD videos, music, surf the net, play games at hyperspeed RJ45 connectors and wide compatibility. With 2 shielded RJ45 connectors at both ends, the Cat8 Ethernet cable works perfectly with networking switch, IP cam, routers, Nintendo Switch, ADSL, adapters, modem, PS3, PS4, Xbox, patch panel, servers, networking printers, Netgear, TP-Link, NAS, VoIP phones, laptop, coupler, hubs, Keystone Jack, Smart TV, iMac and other device with RJ45 connectors. Also compatible with Cat7/Cat5/Cat5e/Cat6/Cat6e. Weatherproof and UV resistant, shielded with high quality UV resistant PVC jacket, the outdoor rated Cat8 Ethernet